Igbo Queen. Igbo Queen. Igbo Queen. Where's honor?
A very beautiful woman, and for Obe to seek her hands in marriage, he has to perform the cultural demands. As for Rylee to be able to marry into this beautiful family, she has to observe the cultural demands. This dowry negotiation has to happen. If this is not done right, there's no marriage.
One stick just in what she earns a year.
1 million. The dowry has to be paid in Naira currency. This $1,002,000 US.
This is not all about money. It's about value. And we cannot put a price on our daughter's head.
Per Fishman is going to bless his daughter, drink from this glass, give his daughter to go find her husband. Just find Obe!
We are both incredibly proud of you.
It is well. It shall be well with you both in the morning, afternoon, and night.
I am extremely honored to play this father figure. And I'm glad that he's finally here. I wish you the best, and let's come back in 9 months. Papa Fishman said it. Amen.